So I went to a Marshmello concert in Las Vegas. I had no idea who Marshmello was, but I really wanted to know because he's up there DJing with his helmet on. I'm like, who is that guy? I went home, I found out who he was, and I thought the story is really interesting. So I actually made a YouTube video about it that lasted 5 minutes and 31 seconds was the length of this YouTube video, and it's now been seen almost 9 million times, which is just insane. So I want to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me for this 5.5 minute video. So before we jump into exactly how much money I made on that Marshmello video, I actually wanted to show you this. This is more impressive, and I want you to take this away when you watch this video because this is the most important thing on YouTube if you are a creator, if you're wanting to get into creating on YouTube. So you can see here we put out a Logan Paul versus KSI fight video, which was basically Logan Paul and KSI, they're YouTubers, and they had a YouTube boxing match, and we put out a video that was about that boxing match right at the time of the boxing match, and you can see we did over 800,000 views in just a single day, which is mind-blowing. And you can see it absolutely fell off a cliff after that and died. And then we took it offline here. And I'm going to tell you exactly why we did that when we go through the Marshmello video. But what I want to show you is it made us $1,708.77. So not very much money. I'm not sure what you predicted a minute and a half video would make, but $1,700 is not that great. If I was to have a guess at that, I would have thought it'd be much more money. What I want to show you though that is the key to making much more money using Google ad revenue is this thing right here, cost per mil, which is probably the most confusing term YouTube could use. It's cost per mil, but it's not million, it's M-I-L-L-E, which apparently is Latin for 1,000. So it's also not a cost, it's how much you get paid per 1,000 views on YouTube. CPM we'll refer it to for ease. And you can see per every 1,000 views that we get $3.83 from YouTube. Now, if I want to jump over to our Marshmello statistics, you can see we had 9 million views, 25.9 million minutes of watch time. It gave us 18,000 subscribers, and it made us $9,381. Now, that's for 9 million views. So you can see, and you can probably start to calculate how much money, how much CPM we actually earned from that. Now, per 1,000 views, we earned $4.57. Now, that is much more than the Logan Paul video, but I want to actually introduce you to another video of mine. Now, I'm going back to being an entrepreneurship-focused channel. So we help people who don't like their job, who don't want to go to college, don't want to go to school, who want to be their own boss and get up when they want to be and live the life that they want to live. That's what we do on this channel. And we do that through Amazon FBA. We do that through other entrepreneurial side hustles such as YouTube and Udemy. And we're going to be introducing more and more. So make sure you do subscribe to be updated and free yourself from that workforce and from that school life or whatever it is that you don't like doing. Come and join us on Entrepreneurship Decoded and live the life that you actually want to live. But I've been sidetracked. What I want to show you is this is in the last 28 days. So if we go time since uploaded, this is just a very easy 15-minute video on how to send your products into Amazon FBA, which is a way that you can make money and a way that we've helped a lot of people make money. This is basically showing them how you can send your products into an Amazon warehouse so Amazon can then sell them and send them to your customers for you. What I wanted to show you is that this video has only done 54,000 views. It was posted way back in October 2017. However, we get $26 per 1,000 viewers on this video, on this CPM. Remember, when we go back to the Marshmello video, we got $4 per 1,000. So this is over 6 times the amount of money per 1,000 views that we're getting. And you can see it's way more consistent where the Marshmello video spikes and then crashes just like the Logan Paul one does. Now, if I thought that was impressive, I actually then came across to this other video that I have, which is how to sell your products on Amazon FBA Australia, which is a brand new marketplace opening. Not the video for that. Go check out this video if you wanted to hear more about that. But you can see we've only had, in a lifetime, 60,000 watches, but we've made $800, which is almost half the amount of money that the Logan Paul video made with 1.5 million views, and this is consistent. Look at this. It was posted way back in late 2017 again, and if we go to this month, the last 28 days, it's had a $56 per 1,000 people. We've made $20 this month. Haven't even thought about this video in years, and it made $20. And what the key here is the people who watch your video, people who are watching this marshmallow video here, are a younger demographic. They have less money to spend. They're probably all around the world, where people who watch videos like how to sell on Amazon FBA or how to send your products into Amazon, they've got more money. They're normally from the USA or Canada or England or Australia or the higher paying countries. And YouTube, sorry, not Amazon. YouTube pay a lot more money depending on the type of demographic that are watching your videos. And if you want to know what to make videos about, you should make videos about things that are on this list here. This is Digital Hustler. I've got 15 high-paying YouTube niches to check out. Now you can see digital marketing is a big one. Blogging and SEO. So digital marketing is basically what we do, which is how to run social media agencies, how to make money online, how to market online. You can see investing and forex trading is a big one, and cryptocurrency. These are basically why they pay so much is because they're very monetizable, meaning the people who are bidding on these ads are paying much more money than bidding on the ads that kids are watching these channels, and they're never going to go and buy their product. So insurance is massive. You can make a video, and the key here is to put these keywords in your title, put these keywords in your listing. Sorry, I'm an Amazon FBA seller. Put these keywords in your bio of your YouTube video, and the description, I think, is the right term for it. E-commerce, you can see we do a lot of e-commerce. These are the big. Web development, tech reviews are massive. Health and fitness, men's lifestyle, business advice, career advice. All these really easy monetizable demographics are the ones that if you're posting videos that you should be posting in. And then of course, making them relevant to the countries who spend the most money. And here is an amazing list of those countries. Basically, the ones you've got are Australia, United States, Norway, UK, New Zealand, South Africa, Canada, Netherlands, Sweden, Switzerland. So all through Europe, you've got Kuwait in there. Nigeria is an interesting one. I'm not sure if that's real. Yeah, I'm going to take it as real. And you can see travel vlogging also pays well. What doesn't pay well are the ones that are centered around a younger demographic and ones that are centered around a global audience. So make sure when you're posting videos, or if you're trying to figure out what to post to, you're posting to the right demographic in order to make the most CPM possible, because all you need to do then is to keep making these CPM videos. It's very, very easy to make these high CPM videos and put out more of those than just one viral video that gets a very, very low CPM and then rises really high and then dies. And if my marshmallow video is no longer available on my channel, it's because I've taken it down, and I'm probably going to take it down after this video. The reason I'm going to do that, one, it actually got demonetized by YouTube for using too much of a marshmallow song. Apparently, I'm only allowed to use 7 seconds, and I used 11 seconds at once. So that was a silly mistake by me, but not really my business model anyway, so don't really mind. What I don't like, though, is you can see I've got 18,000 subscribers from this video. Now, these are 18,000 subscribers who don't really want to learn entrepreneurship. And now when I post a video, there's 18,000 people who are not going to watch my videos, and I think it's really not helping me with the YouTube algorithm. You can see real-time activity. We've had 20,000 people view this video in the last 48 hours. In the last 60 minutes, we've got 400 people on here. So it's drowning out my actual content on this channel. And you can see that these people aren't actually my demographic. These people aren't the people who want to learn entrepreneurship. And that's why I'm going to give this the axe. And you're not really going to see this sort of content. What you are going to see, and what I'm excited to build, is we're doing a lot of challenges. You can remember, if you are a long-time subscriber of this channel, we did the Amazon FBA 10K challenge, where we built a product from $0 to $10,000 on Amazon FBA fully transparently, and you can go back and watch the first episodes of that. on this channel, we're going to start expanding that. We're going to start expanding that to all different side hustles. We're going to do social media agencies. We're going to be doing digital marketing courses, YouTube channels, Amazon FBA, because what I believe, if you're doing Amazon FBA or if you're wanting to do something else, you need more than one income source. That's how I did it. And only teaching Amazon FBA, I think, is limiting you. And we want to have a lot of amazing business models that you can follow step by step and get a ton of free content from this channel. And I just want to build an amazing, active, happy, positive community of entrepreneurs who are really just defying the workforce and saying no to that stressful, like college loans, people working for people for no money, when you can come in and pop up 20 YouTube videos and make a full-time salary if you do them right. So I want to lead more people into this world because it really is freeing. It really is exciting. So thank you for watching. I want you to I want you to subscribe and turn on those post notifications on. I have a truck reversing out the window, so I'm going to end this video here. Make sure you subscribe because we have a lot of entrepreneurship content coming, and I'm excited to be on this journey with you. So a tip that I forgot to add, I'm actually editing this video right now. I decided to jump back on and show you this because it is massive. It's going to increase your CPM through the roof. You want to come down to monetization on your videos. And you want to make sure that you're running an ad during your video and after your video. Now, your video needs to be at least 10 minutes long for this. And you can see I actually made this mistake in all my videos by not doing this. But basically, this is going to increase the amount of ads that your viewers see. And it's also going to help YouTube promote it more because YouTube make more money from your video now because you split this ad revenue with them. So the more money YouTube make, the more they're going to want to show your video so they can make more money. So this is a massive, massive lesson that I've learned recently, and I've actually had it off. I've gone through and tried to put it on for all these old videos that are doing well. So you can see you can't do during the video on this one because it's less than 10 minutes. But you can see I've got before and after switch on for this one now, and that is going to actually really increase your CPM through the roof even further.